Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle if you're new here, and if you are not, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. I'm a little late to the party with my SAS haul because it started on December 26th, the day after Christmas, like it always does. So I'm gonna hop to it. I've already made, I think, at least 3 trips at this point. I've been so bad. I started off being good, and there were just too many things I liked in the 75% off bin right off the bat, which never usually happens. Normally it's those returning fragrances I'm kind of over at this point. So I'm gonna haul for you what I've gotten so far at the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I think I'm gonna have to split this into 2 haul videos, so keep an eye out for another one. I also recently put out my Candle Day haul, so if you're interested in that, definitely check that out from Bath & Body Works. I will link that in a card as well as in the description. I'll usually do some videos that you may also like. So yeah, super excited. This is like my favorite time of the year. I have so many other semi-annual sale haul videos up from Bath & Body Works. I will link them down below. Go and check them out if this is your thing. You want to see what other scents they've had and what good deals they've had in the past. Learn how to shop there a little smarter, all that good stuff. Where did I just put it? I had another bag. So today my SAS journey actually begins a little before the semi-annual sale even started because I want to tell you guys about how I'm kicking myself. So the whole Santa Shortbread, like sweet shop, amazing sweetness collection I'm in love with. I love pretty much every single scent in this except, you know, Winter Candy Apple was a repackage. But it was all so stinking pretty and I wanted so much of it, and it went $6 right before the semi-annual sale. So I picked up a bunch of it and I had a bunch of those coupons, like spend $10, get a free item up to $16.50 for free. So I had a bunch of those from Candle Day. I went in with my mom and she picked up a bunch of gifts for me. So I got a bunch of it then, and a bunch of these like bubble baths and bath salts in that collection are $14.50. So I thought I would use the free item on that. So I got a bunch of these for $6, and then they went 75% off first day of the semi-annual sale, which is good because I could get everything I hadn't already bought, but I bought almost everything. So I was a little bummed there. I kind of wanted to get a price adjustment. I don't know if I will. Has anyone else tried doing that? Did anyone else do this same thing? I feel silly. But I also got a good deal and I've been able to enjoy things a little bit sooner, and I knew I got them before they sold out. So I picked up the Santa's Blueberry Shortbread Bubble Bath. I love when they do bubble baths, although this line has them a little bit smaller. This is 8 ounces. It looks like a smaller bottle, but the notes are, ooh, it doesn't even tell you. Never mind, but super pretty bottle there. And then I picked up the Christmas Cookies Shower Gel. I've heard so many good things about this gorgeous packaging. As you can see, I've been going to town on it. I've been obsessed. It's so nice. I love it. It's like the most decadent, delicious cookie smell. So I think I got it back up. I don't know. We'll find out. Either way, if I didn't, I want one. So the notes are creamy cookie dough, almond biscotti, and caramel wood. And it's truly an edible vanilla, which is a little off-putting, but I love it, and it's so sudsy and amazing. So this was like right before the semi-annual sale on the 23rd I went. And then for my freebie, I got a single wick candle because you could do something up to $16.50. And these are $14.50. I picked up black tie. The notes are green sage, sandalwood, and tonka bean. And I love kind of scents this size and in that sort of scent for my bedroom. So I figured that would be good. And then day 1 of the semi-annual sale comes around and all that stuff 75% off. I was so, which again is good because then you could stock up and it was amazing, but it went so fast. So there's certain things I still didn't get a chance to pick up because I was trying to be good, and now I'm kicking myself for not getting a body cream in Christmas cookies because I'm obsessed with it, even though it's a little weird. So let's see. Oh my god, I don't think it's long enough. So I picked up, this is actually my second body lotion in Christmas cookies, and I have mixed feelings on it. I really hated it at first. It smells like the buttered popcorn jelly bean, and I really wanted it to smell like, has the same notes, cookie dough, caramel, but like the almond kind of translates into a buttered popcorn, and it's really weird, but I also am into it now. So this was 75% off. Normally, ooh, these were $13.50 instead of $12.50 for Lotions. 75% off. And then I had the 20% off a $25 or more purchase coupon, so it went to $2.70. So this is my second one. Obsessed. This was normally $14.50 and then it ended up being $2.90. I got the Santa's Blueberry Shortbread Body Cream. Super gorgeous tube. I kind of just want these all together on a shelf because they're so pretty. The notes are baked blueberry, crumbled shortcake, and whipped cream. And again, I feel like that'll be a little bit weird, but I'm into it. We'll try it out. This was normally $15.50, went to $3.09. I got the Bright Lemon Snowdrop Fragrance Mist. And how pretty are these with the sprinkles? Oh my god, so pretty. And then same deal here, got the Santa's Blueberry Shortbread Fragrance Mist. So gorgeous. I really stocked up. I went to town. What do you think about this collection? I think it's lovely. This went to $2.90. The Christmas Cocoa and Mint scent, my stores near me got it super late, and oh, super cute on the back. And then it went 75% off as well. So my mom got me, I think, the body cream for Christmas. We used my free gift coupon, and then it went 75% off, of course. So picked that up. That was a little different. This ended up being $2.89. It's the Bubble Bath in Crystal Candy Rose. Super gorgeous. Kind of a weird rose scent. It's not as edible or soft as the other scents in this collection, but I still really liked it. And then I picked that up in the bath salt soak as well. Super cute. I love their bubble baths, but they're always so expensive, so when they go 75% off, I always pick them up because I go through them quickly. And then I'm not as big on the bath salts, but we'll try it out. We'll see. They're all matchy-matchy. I had to do it. And then I got the bath salt soak in Vanilla Bean Noel as well. Super pretty, light minty seafoam green color. Ugh, gorgeous packaging on that collection. I can't get over it. So I was surprised that all of the Kaleidoscope items went 75% off. This was in like the core line and didn't get a whole lot of attention, I feel like, when it first came out, and it's supposed to kind of morph to your scent, and I could never really smell it in the store, but for 75% off I picked it up. This ended up being $2.89. Super pretty packaging. The spray I still don't get a ton of scent off of, but I also got a little body cream, and this one smells like really, I can really pick up pink peppers, a note. It's very unisex actually, and clean musk, iris, and cedarwood. So super pretty. I think this was part of the 3 for $7 deal. Certain mini scents and hand creams are part of that. Yeah, I think this ended up being $1.86. So this was originally $16.50 and ended up being $3.30. The Hello Beautiful Sugar Scrubs were 75% off. I think a few other scents might have been as well. And, oh, the Foaming Sugar Scrub. I don't know why, but again, the scrubs I always pick up on sale, as you know if you watch my SAS hauls, because you just go through them quickly. You don't want to pay that much, but they're nice at Bath & Body Works. The notes on this are white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. So I scooped that up, my little score there. I always get excited because scrubs go fast. This ended up being $1.86. The Twisted Peppermint was part of the 3 for $7. I think I picked this up for my mom because she loves this one. Little purse size Twisted Peppermint. We love that one. And then the third one I got, this ended up being $1.87, was the Spiced Gingerbread Hand Cream. I love, again, this adorable little confetti sweet shop-esque collection of hand creams. And I got a bunch of them for Christmas, and this was one I couldn't find. So I picked that up, and then I found a few more at another store, but I think that's gonna have to be a separate video. So again, keep an eye out for that, just so these aren't super, super long. And I got some really good candle deals at that store, really good deals. I almost wanted to do that one first, but here we are. I love when they come out with the little spray sanitizers for the semi-annual sale. People go nuts for them. They're normally $5.50 and they were 50% off, so they went to $2.20 with my coupon. So I got watermelon lemonade. I actually picked up 2. One is for my friend because she loves them. What else did I see? Eucalyptus spearmint. Not my thing. And I think Fiji White Sands, which I think I got at a previous sale. It was good, but I felt like I already had it. Then this ended up being 70 cents. They had certain pocket bags for 50% off. So I got Maryberry Kiss. Super cute packaging. They had a few like Twisted Peppermint left, and like ones I thought would be gone by now of the signature or sort of holiday scents that are current. Oh, that's cute how they package them. I'm so excited for these. Whenever I find cute little accessories for a really good deal, I scoop them up. These are normally $8.50 and they were 75% off. They went to $169. These make such good gifts. They're so cute. Oh my god, look at all these fuzzy socks. I might have gone a little nuts with these, but they hardly ever go on sale and they're super soft, and who doesn't love to get these for a little gift? They're so cute. I'm already shopping for future birthday and holiday presents. It's fine. I was amazed they had so many of these left. I picked up the unicorn. Hello, I'm Candace. I like chasing rainbows. How cute. And these are the Shea Infused socks, and I think they have the little grippies on them. Oh, they do. They say Bath and Body Works on them. That's different. And then I got 3 of the Hello, I'm Fletcher. I like mischief because, you know, foxes are all trendy. Everyone loves them now. And then you have the Bath and Body Works, the little footies. So those are a total score. I love finding unusual things like that. Can't believe they were so inexpensive. This was 75% off. I found so many good things there. Again, I went, I don't know if I said already, I probably should have started with this. I went the first day, which is normally when you find a lot of the really good deals, but I didn't like line up first thing. I wasn't there as soon as they opened. I definitely was not anywhere near the first person in the store. I went after work, like at night, which has worked out for me in the past. I think I did that at the last sale in June as well. And then I uploaded a video that night because I was an overachiever. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. But anyways, there was still a good amount left. If you go in the first few days, you can usually find some stuff. And I always say this, but they're always putting out new stuff. You could go to the same store like 3 days in a row and see totally different stuff. They're always rearranging. There's different deals within the sale. So keep checking back. Check the website. Go to different stores. You never know. It's like the wild, wild west out there. Anything could be available. So if you're looking for something in particular, or even if you're not looking, rare spunky things could be getting put out all the time. So this is normally $16.50 and it went down to $3.30 for 75% off. They had a few Shimmer Fizz lotions in Winter Candy Apple, and I think Vanilla Bean Noel left. My friend and I love these. They're nice to put on. Actually, last night for New Year's, I had like a V-neck jumpsuit, and so I put the shimmer on. It adds a little extra something if your shoulders are exposed, your arms, or whatever you want. It's a nice touch. So the notes on this are red apple, winter rose petals, and fresh cinnamon. They're really nice. It's like Pop Rocks. It's a really interesting consistency. So I actually really love these. I always pick them up. I'm a child. It's fine. This one ended up being $3.29. Another foaming sugar scrub. Yep, vanilla or warm vanilla sugar. I love this one. I don't know why they're discontinuing these. That's so weird. These are like core scents. The notes are intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. Wow, I'm so glad I picked these up now because I don't like the scrub I have in my shower. And I love that these are in a tube. They're so convenient. I really like the Tree Hut scents that you can get at like Ulta. Those scrubs, but like 75% off. These are even cheaper, and the tube is so much more convenient. The tub on the other ones, I love them, and I'll probably show them in a beauty empty sometime soon because I've been using those. But you just open them and then it's awkward, and then you have to perch it somewhere, and then you get water in it and it gets watered down. It's a whole process. With the tube, it's so much easier. So well, I'm talking myself into this more and more as I sit here. I had to complete the set. This was normally $12.50, went to $2.49. Got the Christmas Cocoa and Mint shower gel. So the notes are decadent milk chocolate, thin mint cookies, and marshmallow fluff. So like an Andes Candies, really crazy for a body wash. Ooh, yay, I'm glad I picked that up. So these were $13.50, this collection, the shower gels. They upped everything. Ended up being $2.69. The Santa's Blueberry Shortbread, got that shower gel. So that'll be nice. Love that one. And the notes are baked blueberry, crumbled shortcake, and whipped cream. So good. Kind of similar to the Christmas cookies, just with a slightly fruity note. They're pretty similar, but that's okay because I really like them. And then this was 75% off. Picked up the Snowy Citrus Swirl Lotion. Did I get the spray? I might have gotten the spray at another store. I always kind of liked this when it was out. This and Raspberry Sugar, I think, were new for holiday traditions this year. And I always liked it, but not enough to ever get it. So on sale, I figured I would snatch it up, at least for the collection, or to use every once in a while at the very least. The notes are chilled tangerine, whipped marshmallow, creamy tonka bean, and fresh vanilla. So a lot of vanilla in there. Very like a subtle, like an orange vanilla creamsicle, I think a lot of people are calling it online. Really good. So, you know, every once in a while I like that one. I don't totally love it because I'm not a big citrus person, but I do. It's still nice. It's good. Ooh, I forgot about this. This was normally $13.50, went to $2.70, 75% off Aromatherapy on the first day. How often does that happen? This is a stress relief vanilla verbena, relax and unwind. Vanilla essential oil has a soothing effect on body and mind. I'd never heard of this. It must be one that's like limited edition or old and came back, as they do sometimes during the sale with Aromatherapy. But I actually really like this for myself. I've never had a pump lotion, I don't think, which I always like the pump. And I would like to put this next to my bed for like bedtime sort of thing. But my bedside table is so rickety, I wouldn't trust a glass bottle on it, which stinks, but it's really nice. What is that? It's like a fruity, very vague, like limey lemon scent. Like a fresh tropical vanilla, if that makes sense. So this is really nice. This was kind of like a rare find. That was exciting. Did you pick up any stress relief or any aromatherapy? Did you find any 75% off? Let me know. I always love to talk to you guys in the comments. Let me know what you picked up, what your favorite scores are down below. Did you go on the first day? Have you not gone yet? What's your plan? And then same deal on this. It was $270, 75% off. I got the Peppermint, like from that line of aromatherapy that was just single plain notes. They had like lavender and stuff too. I didn't see any. I think I got that at the last semi-annual sale. I don't know if I hauled it, but it's the Peppermint Aromatherapy Lotion. It says it's revitalizing, helps clear your mind, promotes focus, encourages positivity. So it's an essential oil, a body lotion. So this is for my mom. She loves all things peppermint. Wow, I think that might be it. For my first trip, this was day one. That filled up like 3 bags. I was not planning to spend that much on the first day. I didn't even get any wallflower refills, although I did later at other stores. And I only got the 1 candle and it was my freebie. Wow, good job, Elle. Everyone was saying that the 1050 candles on the first few days of the sale, plus like the 20% off coupon, or if you have the 10 off 40 coupon, which I had but not on me that day. I was not prepared. I still don't know where those are actually, whoops. But I spent enough that it was more worth it to use the 20% off anyways. You know, if you're spending over 50, then 20% would be $10, $10 off 40. I spent over 40, so then I spent over 50. So the 20% off was better anyways. So it just depends. And I think they still have that one as well, depending on when I get this up. So that's everything. I love that new collection. You guys know I always say this, but the holiday stuff is just so cute. I feel like they put more effort into the packaging, into the scents. I love all those sweet scents they come out with. It's totally my thing. So yeah, I'm a happy bean. I'm well stocked up. And I got a lot of that collection that I've been eyeing ever since it came out, hand creams and all. So let me know what you got down below. Have you tried any of these? What do you think? Let me know. Does Christmas cookies smell like buttered popcorn jelly beans? I think I saw that on bathandbodyworks.com as well. And I was like, someone read my mind, because I thought that the first time I put it on, and every time I say it to people in the store or people in my life, they think I'm crazy. So let me know. Is it popcorn? Thank you guys so much for watching this whole video today. I know it's kind of long, but I hope you enjoyed it. And it's so exciting. It's SAS time. Great time to be a Bath & Body Works lover. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Let me know what you're getting. Connect with me on Instagram at waywickedwax. I talk about Bath & Body Works in my videos and stuff like that, what I'm burning. And I have a personal and beauty travel Instagram as well. Get a peek into my life, all my adventures, cool stuff like that at LOL86. I'll have those linked down below. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter. Find me there, we'll hang out, it'll be great. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it and to keep doing more. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, of course. Join our GlamBAM fam, and then hit that little bell to get notifications when I upload, because the schedule's a little wonky. Thank you for your patience and for watching. And yeah, I'm so excited. Happy SAS season, and I'll see you in my next video. 3, 2, 1, BAM!